1.75 pounds. These are soft shells. You also have soft shells that are 2 pounds and over. These are the biggest ones. If you pay cash, it's $8.99. Credit card is $9.49. And that's for these are the biggest ones.
Those are 1.75 pounds.
Yeah. Some of them like that. Some of them are about maybe pound 1.8, 1.9, but they're right around pound 1.25.
What size did you get?
Now we have
quarter is like pretty good because you're eating the claws too. It's a lot of meat.
Yeah.
these are soft shell. Now hard shell we have pound and 3/4.
What's the difference?
Between
Hard shell has more meat. They're a little more expensive, but they have more meat, and they have more. The soft shell has more water in it, but they taste sweeter. Soft shell tastes sweeter, really. Yeah, I only have one hard shell, 1 3. That's 1.9. I know it is.
But I can't, huh?
And I have the pound. I got a 1.5 pounds in here.
Now, what would you get?
Yeah, it's your special dinner.
You said soft shell sweeter, right?
Yeah, I eat soft shell.
You eat soft shell, then guess what we're going to eat?
If you want to eat what I eat big soft shell.
Oh, what are those?
I eat.
That's what we want. We want to get what you would eat.
This is a big special dinner.
Ones I would eat. Okay.
Yeah, it's a special dinner today.
All right.
Our 40th anniversary.
We can put all these back in if you want the ones that I would get. I would get these or something similar. These are soft shell. They're more sweeter. They're more money for your
That's okay.
buck.
Money for the honey.
Yeah, this is more money for it.
Can't
Because
take
when
it
you
with
get-
you, buddy, man. Might as well look. You go, wow.
Oh, look at him.
And I love claws, so.
Yeah, look at that big claws on that guy. We'll take him. What do we need, 4?
God damn.
I got some.
Those are huge.
Now, let me take this off the scale.
That's mine.
Let me look down here. I got more.
You drop them in boiling water in the pot?
I steam them. I put about 2 on. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Paul.
Okay, take that.
Yeah, you got to pay out there with a credit card. Back here, I can take cash. I got to keep the money back there.
Right.
But, all right, here we go.
Wow.
4 pounds. 1.7 is that one.
That's enough for that guy.
Yeah.
How do you make it?
Tonight, right?
Yes, sir.
But it's not all element. You only get the claws and,
Right.
Okay.
yeah, you only get the claws and tail, really. Yeah, okay, those right on 3/4. When you cook them, jerk on this,
Yeah. But
and
don't
if it snaps off, they're done.
Oh, that's cool. After 20 minutes, yeah.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Sounds good.
When okay, that's 11.6. You need us to bag them up, don't you? Yes, sir.
Okay, I if you get sick of
Too expensive. 11.6. Too expensive this year. I remember one year it was, I had it about 3 times a week. It was so cheap.
it. Really?
It was cheaper than hot dogs.
Wow.
It was cheaper than a pound of hot dogs there about 4 or 5 years ago. I was like, wow.
I know I read it somewhere way back in the day.
Hey, Mandy.
Now, are these considered soft shell crabs?
No.
No.
Now, some of them are soft shell in there. The thing is, with soft shell crabs, they have water in them. And they're light, and you can squeeze. Well, these aren't very, only fairly hard. But when they're like this, you can squeeze the legs in them. They're soft shell, which means they have more water to them. That one's, he's old. He's an old
Oh,
heart.
so am I, man. I'm an old crab too.
Break this down.
It's 100 pounds of crab there.
If you
Yeah.
need it all,
Oh, they
we
got a
can
good sense
handle
of
it.
humor.
We can handle it.
Yeah, tell them a joke.
Yeah.
Tell them a joke.
Oh, let me
You
think
haven't
for a
lived with
second.
this
I gotta
guy
tell
for
a good
40.
joke.
You
I mean, I
haven't-
know some good jokes, but
You're funny.
Oh,
All right.
yeah.
okay, I'll tell you the.
We're gonna take. All right.
Okay, a joke. Let's go.
It's here, Paul.
Oh, okay. Well, it's a truck driver. He's driving across the desert, down like Texas, Arizona, New Mexico, you know, he's down that way. He's running low in fuel. So he comes to a town. It has a gas station. It's a little western type setting town, you know. And as he pulls up, he sees a sign that says America's oldest Indian, world's greatest memory. So he says, you gotta go check this out. So he goes in. It's a real old ass Indian sitting in there. You know, the sign tells him he can ask the Indian one question. So he thinks the Indian looks pretty old, so he takes a date off the top of his head. He says, oh, 1901, he says, August 17th. He said, 8 p.m. He says, what were you doing? The Indian thinks, he said, he said, me, fuck 'em, squaw. So the truck driver, he's like,
You
this
like
is-
this already.
this truck driver, he's like, one question, you know, this is a bunch of bull. So he gets in his truck, he leaves. Well, around 41 years later, he's driving down the road, same stretch, and he sees the same sign. America's oldest Indian, world's greatest memory. So he walks inside, and the same old Indian is sitting there. This time he greets him. He says, how? Indian looked at him. He looked at him. He says, doggy style.
That's a good one. That's a good one. That's good. I like that. That was good. That was a good one. I'm glad you shared that one.